Monday Night Raw, our main event here tonight in New Orleans. It is one versus all. Roman Reigns against Kevin Owens to start this match. But as Stephanie and Mr. McMahon look on, if Reigns gets by Owens, there's so many other superstars he's going to have to face. Stephanie McMahon saying it. Reigns will compete until he can't move anymore. And it's been all Kevin Owens, the champ's in deep trouble. One versus all live on Raw. Live on Monday Night Raw, our main event. It is one versus all for the champion Roman Reigns, but the way Kevin Owens is going, it may not be anybody else Reigns has to face because it's been all Kevin Owens up to this point. Owens started this matchup, but Roman Reigns trying to fight back.
Kevin telegraphed that.
And Roman
certainly countered that.
And he does not want to be out there.
This has been a battle for Roman Reigns every step of the way against Kevin Owens. We knew it would be.
All these superstars outside the ring there at the behest of the McMahons. Mr. McMahon and Stephanie here at ringside. Oh, follow-away slam into the barricade. It has been a clinic that Kevin Owens has been putting on tonight.
Think about this. If Roman Reigns finds some way to get past Kevin Owens, which it doesn't look like he will right now, he's got all these other superstars to contend with.
And again, Kevin, destruction of Roman Reigns.
With the athleticism that it takes to be able to do something like that.
That's amazing.
Look, that is a 210-pound Eddie Guerrero. That's a 270-pound, whatever it is, Kevin Owens.
And look what Owens is doing to Roman Reigns. And then you've got outside waiting to get in Sheamus, who's upset that Reigns took the championship from him. Alberto Del Rio, who's upset he lost the United States title earlier tonight. The New Day upset that they lost to the Usos. You got a bunch of angry men out there. The Wyatts, who were driven away by Ryback and the Social Outcast tonight.
Goes back to the words of Stephanie McMahon made before this matchup. Whatever has to be done to ensure that Roman Reigns cannot move after this night is over.
Yeah, that's the main thing, though, Byron, is that what Michael is saying is, but these guys who are out here all have an agenda. They want to impress the McMahons.
Absolutely. I mean, none of those guys may get in the ring. Roman Reigns may not be able to move after Kevin Owens is done with him. Kevin Owens is systematically picking apart the champion.
Someone throw a towel in. There's nothing left.
WWE Universe again trying to will Roman Reigns on. Roman Reigns will never give up.
You know the fire inside Roman Reigns. You know the strength of Roman Reigns' spirit. But again, I mean, you talk about uphill battles.
Yeah,
this man has got to deal with.
Your body breaks long before your spirit does. Oh, wow. And that could be it. Of the Royal Rumble, it's not just 1 on 29. All 29 are not just simply trying to win the match. They're all trying to get rid of Roman Reigns because they know the favor that gets them in the McMahon's eyes.
That's the key. We heard that little pep talk that Mr. McMahon gave to all the WWE superstars at the start of Raw. This could be your time. This could be your moment.
You try to eliminate Roman Reigns as well because he's won a Royal Rumble. He won last year's Royal Rumble. The longer he lasts, the better his chances.
Reigns actually holds the record for most Royal Rumble eliminations at 12, but this is a much different scenario than he's been in the past.
Stephanie and Mr. McMahon loving what Kevin Owens is doing to Reigns.
Reigns wanted to fight the system. Reigns wanted to fight the man. Well, this is what you get, Roman. You know how many people have tried this over the years? Superstar Graham, Hot Rod Roddy Piper, Stone Cold, they all wanted to fight the man. Who has survived? Mr. McMahon. There's a reason for that. There's a reason he's the chairman.
Our main event here, Roman Reigns in a one versus all matchup. But the all so far has just been Kevin Owens, who's done a great job punishing and neutralizing Reigns. The other superstars waiting in the wings are at ringside. Oh, along with Mr. McMahon and his daughter Stephanie. And Reigns shoulder first into the steel post.
Watch Owens here.
A little bowling.
Cannonball.
Nice.
Cover. Reigns is still in it.
I can't help but think about what Roman Reigns told Stephanie McMahon last week. Look, this title's my life. I lose this championship. I can't provide for my family. I have no life.
Well, you know, tonight's not about the title. Maybe you should just live to fight another day. Live to defend the title at the Rumble, because he may not get through tonight. Kevin Owens. Oh, Roman rolls out of the way as Owens went for that running senton. Can Roman Reigns somehow rally?
Roman is trying to will himself up, trying to grab hold of that rope to somehow make his way back to his feet.
Roman can hardly stand up, but he's still fighting back with a right. Kevin Owens with a right of his own. And there's one from Roman Reigns. Both men exchanging blows in the center of the ring.
Somehow just digging in.
And Roman stared right at the McMahons. He brought Mr. McMahon up out of his chair.
Yeah, but think about the energy that Roman Reigns is expending right here just to stay in this match, to try to win this match with Kevin Owens.
And John, by looking down to the McMahons and wasting that energy, as you said, it allowed Kevin Owens to take back over this matchup, at least momentarily.
And what if Roman does find a way to win?
Well, it gets worse.
Who's next? Sheamus, Del Rio? Oh! One of the Wyatts?
All Roman can think about right now is just finding a way. Find a way to put out.
And now Mr. McMahon looking on. Mr. McMahon looking on. Roman Reigns would love to take out Kevin Owens right in front of the McMahon family, right in front of all those superstars. Now the Ascension up on the apron. Superman punch to both of them. Oh, Samoan drop. Tyler Breeze going right after Reigns. Reigns. The power.
Can you get him?
Reigns is a one-man army.
One versus all.
Is that all you got? I'm still standing.
And Mr. McMahon just sent all the superstars after Roman Reigns. And this is going to be a mugging. This is going to be an all-out mugging. Roman Reigns taken down and out.
Roman tried to fight. Roman tried to fend off everyone.
You can feel it. You can just feel this coming.
Yeah, but the arrogance of Roman Reigns, the turn of Vince McMahon says, is that all you got? No, it's not all he's got.
Roman Reigns knew this was coming.
Reigns is a competitor, even to a fault.
Roman Reigns is a sitting duck for Del Rio's kick. And now Sheamus wants himself some.
I shudder to think what's going to be left of Roman Reigns come the Royal Rumble.
Nothing. All right, this keeps up. Sheamus has been waiting a long time for this. Boom kick. And Roman Reigns crumbles to the mat in a heap. Here comes the beast.
New Day looks excited to see Brock Lesnar.
Oh my God. Brock Lesnar is staring down at Roman Reigns. Oh, and he takes out the New Day. What? And Big E goes to Suplex City. And Brock Lesnar and Kevin Owens. Alberto Del Rio. And now Sheamus goes after the Beast.
Not sure if this is what the McMahons wanted.
This is New Orleans. We know what Brock Lesnar accomplished in this city. And in the undefeated streak of The Undertaker at WrestleMania. And Brock Lesnar is taking out a sea of superstars.
Beast is unleashed.
Just launched Del Rio. Sheamus joined him.
Oh, man.
Destruction left in the wake of the beast. WWE World Heavyweight title.
Yeah, and Hill's coming with him. I think you may be looking at your favorite to win the Royal Rumble match and to win the WWE World Heavyweight Championship.
Roman Reigns, he's very well aware of what faces him in 2 weeks in the Royal Rumble match. And now you add the Beast to the mix. Brock Lesnar's coming to the Royal Rumble. Good night, everybody, from New Orleans.